Want this? Copyright issue. Hello everyone. I am Estella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to do smooth velocity edit. So let's begin. First, add a dancing clip of your favorite idol. And the clip speed should be a little slow, not too much. You can make it 0.7 or 0.8. If your video is already slow, then don't change its speed. Add your song, click on beats, and choose auto generate. Now at the first beat where your song starts, split on it because from there your velocity will start. See, this first small part is starting. Part it will remain normal, and in the other part we will add velocity. Remove the ending. I know it's not easy, you need to focus. Now click on the second clip and click on speed and then click on velocity. Choose the first one flash. Now you can see the velocity is added to your video, but you have to do more. If you want to adjust flash intensity, then click on flash effect and adjust the intensity like how you want. I am making it around 15. Now you can see it looks good. Cut the extra part from the end. Now export this video. Make a new project and add the video you just saved. This part is a difficult, you have to try again and again if it not look good. Now you see the movement of his dance at first when he moves to the left side and when the flash come on the exact point, add a keyframe like I did. And don't forget to add a keyframe at the start first. If you didn't, it will ruin the edit. Now at the second keyframe of left side movement, zoom it a little and rotate it to left side, not too much. You can make it -1 or -2. Now at the second movement when he moves to right side and the flash, come add a keyframe again. Then simple rotate it to right side and don't zoom it because it is already zoomed. Now repeat this thing for the rest of the video. At the next keyframe, zoom it out again and then at the next zoom it in and don't rotate it again and again unless it's necessary. Now click on graph and choose ease into for all keyframes. You can see at last it's moving too much because I rotated too much. So simply adjust it. And you are done. I tried my best to explain without confusion. If you liked my video, then please appreciate. If you want any other video tutorial, then let me know in comments. Till then, stay safe. Love from Estella.